Do you sometimes feel like there's not enough hours in a day? In this episode, I'm going to share with you how you can get more things done in less time. And yes, these are my 5 time-tested strategies that help me to build my business while raising my 2 little girls. So stay tuned. Hello, how are you? This is Millie Leung, the creator of Shine to Impact TV. And this week, I want to answer a question from one of my readers. Ali says, Millie, I'm running my own business, and just like you, I have 2 daughters. I want to know, how do you manage your time between running your own business and taking care of your children? I just don't seem to have enough hours in a day, and I want to know how I can become more productive. Thank you so much, Ali. Ali, that's a fantastic question, and it's a question that I get asked a lot during interviews. So in today's episode, I'm going to share with you my 5 strategies to help you get more things done in less time so that you can thrive in your business and have more peace in your life too. Strategies number 4 and 5 are really important, so make sure that you stay until the end of the video. Before I start, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell too. New episodes are released every single week to help you build a business and life that you truly love. Strategy number 1, eliminate. So Ali, the first thing you need to do is look at everything you need to do and eliminate tasks that are irrelevant, unimportant, and unactionable. Things you have no control over, other people's stuff, things that don't move you forward, and things that have been dragging on your list months after months, year after year. Yep, you have to cross them all out. Learn to say no and guard your time wisely. Remember, every time you say no to unimportant things, you will have more time to say yes to the important ones. Yes, less is more. Now, if you feel like you have too much going on and are feeling overwhelmed, make sure that you check out my previous episode called How to Deal with Overwhelm in 3 Minutes. It's a really fun episode to watch. I'll include the link in the show note below this video as well. Strategy number 2, prioritize. After eliminating some tasks, you should now see that you have more time to work on things that are truly important to you. Prioritize your most important tasks first. And for your business, that would be your income-generating activities. For example, perhaps it is talking with and following up with your potential and existing clients, closing sales, creating content and marketing, and developing new products, etc. Notice your own productivity pattern. Are you more productive in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night? For me, I'm most productive during the morning, so I always want to make sure that I schedule my most important work, my creative work early in the morning when I'm clear-headed. Also, if you are a parent and you work from home, you want to make sure that you schedule your work around your children's schedule. That means you might have to wake up earlier in the morning to start working, work while your children are in school, while they are taking naps, or later in the evening after your children have gone to bed. You want to prioritize your tasks and put them on your schedule. Remember, if they're not on your schedule, they are not real. Strategy number 3, batching. So batching basically means grouping similar tasks together so that you can become more efficient. And I'm sure that you're already doing some of that for your housework. For example, you don't wash your clothes every day. You probably batch your clothes and wash every few days, right? Similarly, you can apply batching to your work. For example, for my Shine to Impact podcast, I don't just record 1 episode each week because if I do that, it would totally drive me crazy. I actually record 10 episodes each time so that once I'm done, I know that I have content to go on for 10 weeks and that gives me time to work on other things that are important in my business. So look for opportunities that you can batch your tasks together and save time. Alright, strategy number 4, leverage. Say it after me. Leverage, leverage, leverage. Yep, leverage is one of my favorite strategies. As Robert Kiyosaki once said, leverage is the ability to do more with less. When it comes to leveraging to do more things in less time, you can do 2 things. Number 1, get help. Number 2, use technology. Now, this is what I mean. As a working parent, your time is very limited, so make sure that you ask for help. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. So if you need help to care for your children, you can ask your spouse, your partner, your in-law, your parents, or your neighbors to help you. If you don't have that, consider spending a little money to hire a babysitter. Now on the work side, consider outsourcing or hiring a virtual assistant to help you reduce your workload. Websites such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and Freelancer.com are great places to start. Now, if you don't have help and can't quite come up with the money to hire help yet, I want to offer you a secret weapon. A secret weapon, and that is what I call Kid Swap. So Ali, this is what you can do. Look for other working parents or other mompreneurs in your building or in your neighborhood who are in similar situation. What you do is that sometimes you will look after the other person's kids so that the other working mom can have time to work. Then on other days, you swap, meaning that the other parent will look after your kids while you work. And guess what? Both parents will have some time to work while the kids will have a great time playing too. So give that a try. Now earlier, I also mentioned about leveraging on technology, and that is huge. These days, you can leverage on technology and get so many things done. You can order groceries online, you can set up auto payment for your bills, you can use Zoom to meet with clients instead of meeting face-to-face so that you can save commute time. You can use scheduling app to pre-schedule all your social media posts. You can use podcasts in YouTube so that you only have to record your content once and they'll be working for you over and over again. So remember, leverage is your good friend. It is all about working smarter instead of harder. Okay, last but not least, strategy number 5, stay focused and be present. According to Gary Keller's book, The One Thing, if you want to be productive, make sure that you stay focused and work on one thing at a time. In other words, no multitasking. The other night, I was pan frying some dumplings. And while I was waiting, I was trying to save time by replying some messages. So I was typing and typing and typing and replying and replying and replying. And you know what? That didn't turn out to be so smart after all, because I ended up taking longer to reply my messages and I also burned my dumplings. Yike! Yep, I think you get my point. So no multitasking. Another thing is that we need to learn to be fully present. So many of us working parents, when we're with our kids, we're not really with our kids. Our head is spinning, thinking about our work, our clients, our projects, and we're always looking at our phone. And on the other hand, when we're working, we're easily distracted by our kids and our environment. So at the end, nothing is done well because we're never fully present. Now, I know this is not easy and I am sometimes still guilty of not being fully present. However, I have came a long way. When we're with our children, be with our children. That means putting away our phone and not thinking about work. When we're working, close our door or put a sign up and let our kids know that mommy or daddy needs an hour to get things done. So yes, stay focused and be present so that you can get more things done in less time. Awesome! There you have it. My 5 strategies to help you get more things done in less time so that you can thrive in your business and in your life too. Now the question goes to you. Which of these 5 strategies are you already using? Plus, do you have any other awesome productivity strategies that you would like to share? If so, comment below this video so that we can gather intelligence and help more people to do more things in less time. I hope this episode has added value to you. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell too. And if you've liked this episode, please like it and share it with your friends too. Oh, and don't forget to grab my free gift, Passion to Profit Playbook, The Secrets of Turning Your Passion into an Impactful and Profitable Business. And once you do that, you also get onto my email list where I send out awesome strategy and tips every single week to my insiders. So come on over. When you become more productive and can get more things done in less time, you'll be able to shine and impact the world in a bigger way. So remember, dream big, start small, act now. With that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, and I'm so grateful to have you here. And I have a pretty awesome gift for you. So head over to my website, millieleung.com, or see the link in the description below. Let's shine and impact the world together. And don't miss my episodes here and here. See you there.